English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman sir, I submit that the time will definitely come when we would present the fifth budget. Many members are under the impression that this government may collapse any moment, and perhaps the present finance minister will not be able to present his next budget. I request such members to have patience, and everything will come before them. Today, the people of this country are emotionally attached with this government. They have already tested past government. Our communist brother are not in a position to say anything because the Soviet Union, which they considered as their Mecca Medina and projected it as an example of state council etc., is today totally disintegrated. So far as China is concerned, everybody is aware of the situation prevailing there. Since it is not the topic of discussion today, I do not want to say anything about it. The economy of India is the best at present, and only it can last in the world in future. It will be accepted by the entire world. Mr. Chairman sir, it will also benefit the employees. I agree that the present tax exemption limit is rupees 50,000 only, and it is law, but I am sure that in future this limit will be increased further. The Honorable Finance Minister has realized a problem of income tax payer by introducing same like Saral, Samadhan Our, Saman etc., and tried to solve their problem. I congratulate the Finance Minister for this. I am an advocate by profession. Even if someone is an advocate and he is required to file income tax returns, he will face a lot of difficulties as the form itself is very complicated. On the other hand, if someone is not an advocate of income tax or self tax, he will face more difficulty in filling the form. It is a matter of happiness that he honorable minister has taken initiative for a simplification of the procedure, and this step should be welcomed. The increase in income tax exemption limit is also a welcome step. It should also be appreciated that the limit of standard deduction has been raised to rupees 25,000 for an income up to rupees 1 lakh, and moreover there would be no standard deduction for those getting an income of more than rupees 5 lakh. The simplification of the farm is a welcome step.